Hey, what's up? So I'm back. Yeah, let's do a nice 10th session. Um, as you can see, Bitcoin started to show some weakness, but it's all prior to U.S. Open, so I don't actually think it's really uh, noticeable yet. Um, but yeah, as we approach U.S. Open, I think it's very important to see, as stated before, where we're heading now. Um, and I think we're gonna sweep the 4-hour 200 at least after this push. Um, but as you can see, if you compare this reversal with prior reversals, like the volume, it's not really there yet. But I expect Americans to follow through um, and create more upside. Um, yeah, as you can see, it still takes like 2 hours for the market to open. Let's have a look at the calendar because I'm not familiar with the news this week. So we have Wednesday, we have CPI. Tomorrow we have Powell. Okay, it's nice to know. And then we have another relaxed week. Okay, so I think CPI can be important, especially. Yeah, I think it might be the catalyst for either a sweep towards 55 maybe, or the push towards all-time high. So that's really noticeable for this week, and we have to take this in consideration while being positioned or while creating a new setup. It's really important to take in account news, especially CPI, FOMC, most of that shit. It's I mean it's across the pond for me. I'm in Europe, but still the market gives a fuck. That's basically it. So yeah, let's have a look at the performance today. Um, yeah. Whoa, holy cow! What the fuck happened here? That's sick. It's a nice little bump, dump, and then a pump. Yeah, so let's clear this. GRT is looking good, I have to be honest. But I want to see the strongest coins for today. Yeah, this is not it. Yeah, Shiba. Do not like it either. How come? Yeah, this is better. STX. Yeah, to be honest, it's not really looking bad. I think right now we're looking at a test of this trend line, and if it breaks, I'm pretty confident we're gonna visit this level, like somewhere around here, I guess. For now, yeah, let's give it a little tag. Yeah, near again, showing a lot of strength. Yeah, this is interesting because I think near is just gonna ping pong between these levels now. So near is definitely interesting for Morsetech, in my opinion. Oh. Yeah, I think Bonk is not looking too well. Hada's looking decent for risk reward, to be honest. I mean, this is one hell of a support. So Brander, still one of my favorites this year. Really strong. Do think it's facing a little resistance here, which is obvious. I think it's price discovery. So yeah, what's the downside potential? I think it kind of looks good, so I'm also gonna tag it for Mars attack, I guess. I think we could range here. Yeah, I think Gala still looks a bit heavy. I think we could still have we still have unfinished business down here. Like, it's very likely all these lows have to be swept. I think this one is better. They have to be swept before yeah, maybe breaking out on the highs. Then again, we also have some highs which look promising. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think it's interesting to also flag Gala. Doji. No, I think Delta's also looking good. Oh man, this is gonna be a fun week. I can already tell there's some nice structures playing out. We could probably head towards this level. But I think if I look at the lower time frame, I think DOT is sometimes really damn slow. So that's really something to take into account, especially when running Mars attacks setups. Okay, let's see at our current list. So let's look at the 1 hour performers. I've seen this shit before. It's kind of crazy. It's low on liquidity, so volatility weekly. So yeah, I also shorted Yuma on the challenge account, and we made like $5 on it, so it's pretty okay. I think it got sold this morning. Yeah, I mean, Yuma, it's looking strong, to be honest. I expected this shit to visit some lows earlier, but even after this initial pivot pump, whatever to call it, it made another giant ass pump with a little distribution, another giant ass pump. So I think we could say it's strong and it's trending. We could look at the funding as well. Yeah, funding is also still minus. So yeah, I think the volume is shit. Like, as you can see, we traded it here. Oh, it's not showing my short, by the way, because I did short it. Yeah, I'm still convinced it's one hell of a short, but I don't think it's fast enough right now. Like, yeah, we made $5 on it, but yeah, I'm not gonna trade it. Jesus, what the fuck is this? Yeah, this is also creepy. Cheeto. The weekly performance is nice, but wow, to be honest, I don't think Jito is looking bad. Let's have a look at the volume. Oh, Jito. Oh, it's like almost one mil. Okay. Yeah, so to be honest, I think I like this price action. I like this price action. Yeah, so let's do some TA here. Let's draw some magical lines. Yeah. When the horizontal levels aren't that clear, you could just look at moving averages or track a fib line. Like it should give you an idea. Like I find this 12-hour extremely confusing. So that's when I try to zoom out even more, maybe even look at the weekly to get a, yeah, now I have a better picture. Like this definitely is significant. Let's see if we can make it a little bit better. Yeah, I think this is decent. Okay. Yeah, I have to be honest, Jito is not looking bad. I like the volume. I do think there's multiple supports in here. I just do not think the price action is that clear. That's a minus for me, but I think, yeah, I mean we could trade this definitely. I do think it's gonna be risk reward for this one. Yeah, let's give it a little tag. So yeah, I think we can make a, for the challenge account, we can make a setup. Risk reward, long, high. It's the volume of STX anyways. Yeah, I am not sure. Not sure if I like this. I mean, it could just head into distribution again. Volume that low. Yeah, I'm gonna add the ADA. Volume is always good. Het gala as well. Tot. So where are we gonna push the risk? Yeah, we're gonna push the risk on Render. Yeah, get near in there as well. Yeah, I think this is decent. I think we will make some money on this. I think especially with the news on Wednesday, like the CPI, I think it's good to run with risk reward, because we don't want to get stuck into something with Mars Attack on the challenge account. Like if I trade Mars Attack, especially with the core account right now, it will be obvious setups, like setups that are okay, obvious, but that look very good and will make money in the short term. And all of those, these all look good, but I'm not sure if it plays out on the short term. Like even with the CPI, I'll probably make money on these. So yeah, let's start them. Do a little refresh. Yeah, I'll look at these later to set some trade windows. But right now I want to position myself before US on the core account, probably. So yeah, they're all up and running, right? Yeah, they're all up and running. Cheetah. Let's have a look at Cheetah. What the fuck's going on here? So Cheetah is really, really tanking. I'm not sure why. Look at the analytics. Open interest. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure why actually. Like, it could be on another exchange or something. Like, I cannot find anything in the analytics here. So yeah, let's look at the core setup. If there's somewhere we can make money. Yeah, to be honest, let's put no, not there, not there, not there. Let's put these in the. Let's look at Cheetah. I think it's interesting. Yeah, for the score account, I don't like taking a lot of risk just because of CPI. So I was looking at Bitcoin, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is kind of shitty because this is now forming a lower high. It's on the 1 hour, but I still should respect it because of the downtrend already. Like, it could be significant. I do think we're gonna just spike here. We could still create a lower high, but at least we swept these highs. Alright. Okay, I think we could make some money on Bitcoin here. Like, if we spike, yeah, we probably could. And even if we deviate all the way to these lows, it's like 10%. So when we sweep it, yeah, hell yeah, we're gonna run Bitcoin full risk. I think the volume is also good because it's a weekday. XBT, let's see. Is it still called XBT or just Bitcoin? Oh, it's called Bitcoin now. What? That's weird. Yeah, so let's make a nice core setup. Bitcoin Mars attack. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put ETH here. So I can remove ETH to take on more risk. Yeah, I think the picture is pretty clear here. Like, we bounced on the almost on the golden pocket, and now we should actually head towards the 4-hour 200. So that's what I'm speculating it will probably do. And if it deviates further, we'll get some heavy bags, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a bearish retest then. So let's remove this little fucker. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to get into this. Like, we're already deviating. I think we're just baiting a lot of European shorters right now, and the US will actually get towards the 4-hour 200. Noise. So as always, when running Mars attack, we set a trade window. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, to be honest, if we were to just reverse this candle all the way towards the daily, I want to get the fuck out as fast as possible. it will indicate a lot of weakness. So just below the daily, I think I'll zoom in a little here. Yeah, let's just put it, yeah, let's put it here. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's gonna be our low and our high. Yeah, I wanna front run this, so I kind of expect the price to spike towards this level, but I think it's safe to put the high over here. I mean, if it looks very good and we get a follow through with a lot of volume, we can always get back in. But even then, if we break out, I would probably prefer to run risk reward, as then I think this range bound thingy is invalidated and we're probably gonna trend towards the all-time highs. So yeah, we're already in profit, so that's a good sign. I think we could actually squeeze a little bit more risk soon if this bias of mine, if this idea of mine proves itself. So yeah, now we can just chill again. Also kind of curious where Jito is gonna go. Let's learn a little bit about Jito. Join market cap. Okay, yeah. For me, this. And some people who watch the other videos, the other highlights, they know this is kind of concerning because it's like 12.1% is circulating, and the total supply is like a lot more. So there's like somewhere roughly 88% is still kept somewhere and can be released on the market. There's no analytics, so we have no clue what's gonna happen. Like, we don't know who the devs are and everything. Yeah, for me this is not something I would hold for a longer period of time. Kinda looks shit in my opinion. But okay, yeah, the price action looks good, so we're just gonna trade it. But yeah, be cautious. If you see something like this, it's never a wise idea to run a lot of risk, unless it's like managed, like isolated. But right now, I think MEV, yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill. I'll see. Let's see what the US brings today. It's already turning into a long ass highlight, but I think there's a lot of information in here you can duplicate and use for your own trading. So yeah, guys, I'll be back later, and hopefully we'll make some nice profits today.